Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. So in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to download the NDI plugin in OBS. Alright, so I got a WhatsApp message. Someone said I have been trying to connect scripture from EasyWorship into my OBS but can't see NDI in my source list. Alright, which means the person is trying to link the EasyWorship with OBS but the NDI source isn't showing. Say for instance, if I click my plus sign under my sources, you can see my NDI source right there, but yours is not showing. So if you are finding yourself in this situation, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the NDI plugin. All right, so I'll be dropping the download link in the description of this video. All right, so click the link, all right, and it will take you to this page right here. Okay, the name of the NDI plugin is called the Distro AV. Okay, so once you're on this page, click go to download. All right, click go to download and then just give it some time. Now you're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So if you are using Windows, you are going to select this Distro AV 6.2.0 Windows X64 installer. All right, so this is the installer. You are going to click it. So once you click it, the download is going to begin. So once the download is complete, go ahead and install it. Okay, so go proceed with the installation. Install it. Me, I already have it installed. All right, but just proceed with the installation. So me, I'm going to cancel it since I have it already. So once you are through with the installation, go ahead, close your OBS and open it. All right, so once you open your OBS, you will get this pop-up message, this pop-up link that NDI runtime not found. All right, it's telling you to download it. All right, so I screenshotted this, so this is it right there. You can see it telling you distro AV, the NDI runtime not found. All right, so all you need to do here is just to click this link right here, download the installer here. All right, so you're going to click this link right here. Once you click the link, it will take you to your browser. Okay, so once it takes you to your browser, the download is going to start automatically. Okay, so once the download is completed, go ahead and install the NDI runtime as well. So once you install it, close your OBS and open it as well. Okay, so once you are through, come to your plus sign, click on this plus sign and you should see your NDI source right here. All right, so ensure you follow this tutorial guide step by step. All right, so that's how to install the NDI plugin in OBS. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Okay, so if you have any other question, let me know at the comment section. And if you want to message me on my WhatsApp, my WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. All right, so click the link and message me on my WhatsApp. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is also in the description of this video.